I made this adapter to keep the hose up and away from my sump pump when I'm using it. The sump pump that I have here is an Everbuilt 1/2 horsepower, but this could certainly work with a number of sump pumps. I just don't know. I wanted to keep the hose up and away from the base of the pump, so when I reposition the pump, there's a little loop here for putting a rope in here, that I was able to do it without entangling the hose or the extension cord. So I just made this little riser here to keep the hose end up and out of the way from all that. It comes really in handy for screwing the hose on. So my hand isn't down here doing it. You know, I have limited space. It's up here, I can turn it freely. It's a snap, I love it. But the thing is that the pump itself only comes with this bottom adapter that I'm touching right here. And this ends up having, I got this in here pretty tight right now, but this ends up having a female opening, which is 1 1/4. So to make my riser, I bought a 1 1/4 male to 3/4 female. And then I simply bought 3/4 inch fittings. This is obviously a slip to male thread, and then cut off, I don't know, 16 inches of pipe, and then I hook my hose up here. But again, when you're needing to use this pump, you have all this room here and this extra, you know, grip here from this fitting to hold on to when you're putting the pipe on here. It really helps to attach that hose. And you could probably put a longer piece of pipe on there. Maybe you want to go up and put an elbow on or something like that. This just makes it a lot easier to do. So simple modification. I have nothing against the fitting that you can buy at Home Depot. I just don't want that. I want the extra room here. And that's not a PVC fitting that you buy. It's like polypropylene, so PVC is stronger. And anyway, maybe it's something that you could think of and improve or modify on your own.